Hey, buddy, you got a package here. You want this?
Yeah, I want that package. Why do you have my package? Yeah, I'd like my package. Give me my package.
Hey, buddy, there's no need to get all defensive. I'm just bringing your package. I found it in your mailbox. That's what I do. I look in mailboxes. You better calm down, or I'm gonna take this package right here and, throw it on your roof. You want that? You want me to go ahead and toss it up there? I will. But I'll be nice today. You better say, please, I want that package. Alright?
Look, buddy, I don't know who you are, but if you don't give me my package in 3 seconds, I'm gonna beat you up all the way past my property line.
Oh, he just threatened him.
How about that? How about that? 1, 2.
Well, I was just kidding, buddy. Here's your package. There you go, right there. I'm gonna just go ahead and give it to you. Just go ahead and take it. Just take the package. Alright, I gotta go. Bye-bye.
Yes, thank you. I appreciate that. Thanks. Thank you very much. Now get off my property. That's right, this is Texas. Get off my property. Alright. Yeah, okay. Bye-bye.
What the hell was that? Anyway, guys, hey, it's a great morning. You know why it's a great morning? Because I got a package. And we're going to find out what's in this package right now. We're going to find out what's in this package. Sounds empty, but we're going to find out right now. So hang tight. Yeah, I found it. All right, let's cut this package. Hello. Oh, yeah. That's a beautiful sight to see. Oh, yeah. Mr. Whisper. That's right. Mr. Whisper. Lawn Whisper. I appreciate the hat, man. I do. I really appreciate it. I'm going to try it on real quick because it's going to be my hat when I do my yard stuff. And thanks for the sticker. Heck yeah, I get to add my 2 other stickers. I appreciate it. Let's go ahead and try this on right now. Oh, I tell you what, that is a nice fit. Oh, wait, what's that? Sorry, something's whispering in my ear. I need to do lawn work today? That's right, I do. I do. But hey, thank you, Mr. Lawn Whisperer. You're doing a great job. I hope to be that great someday with that beautiful lawn. Oh, yeah. Mine's getting there, so watch out. I'm coming for all you. No, but thanks for the hat. And I really do appreciate it. And boy, it is comfortable. Hey, if y'all don't know the Lawn Whisperer, go check him out right now. I will link his page on my description. Go click on him, go subscribe, go like, go comment. He produces great content, guys. He does. So go check him out. And yeah, don't go check me out, though. Go check him out. That's right. But I appreciate it, Mr. Whisper. Fits great. All right. Bye-bye.